Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Victor Agina, and today I'd like to show you how to earn 4.5 million naira in 3 months on Propreneur limited compensation plan. In order for this to happen, you have to be an affiliate of Propreneurs World. It's a fairly new business opportunity that launched on the 15th of April 2018, and we are on a mission to create or to produce hundreds to thousands of millionaires. Now, um, like I said earlier, my name is Victor. Digital marketer. I run my own e-commerce business, and I am a blogger at victoragina.com. Now, um, what I'm about to show you is actually based on projection on the amount of work you put into this stuff to make it work. So I usually don't like to blow things out of proportion, but if you look deeply into what I'm about to explain to you, you find out that it's doable, it's workable, and if you can stick to this by August, September, you have made up to this amount of money. So guys, my name is Victor. I'm a digital marketer and partner. Sorry about the double introduction. I partner with Propreneurs World. Sorry, this is an error with Propreneurs World. I blog at victoragina.com. You know, the website through which you subscribe to download this free book. That's if you downloaded it from our website. But I'm just using it to do a video on YouTube. So I'm who you consider a serial entrepreneur because I'm always looking out for new and better ways to make money. Not just for myself, but for everyone that comes into contact with me, both offline and online. Over time, I've been able to, help people to start up businesses from the comfort of their homes. And what gives me joy is the fact that people come back to tell me that they were able to do this stuff online and they were able to make some money. Like there was this guy, a student, who read one of my free articles on my blog and was able to pull $1,000 in a month on Fiverr. That was, about a year ago. So it just gives me joy to help people. Now, I'm who you consider a serial entrepreneur because I'm always looking out for new and better ways to make money. Today, I want to show you a powerful business opportunity that can help you make 4.5 million in 3 months if you follow the formula that I will lay down for you. Please note, this is not a get rich quick scheme. It's not MLM or any of those Ponzi schemes. It's a registered business in Nigeria. The hub offices, one of the office in Ikeja, Lagos, number 5 Allen Avenue. Now, if you want to read more about Propreneurs World, you can hit on this link on my blog, and then it will take you to the post where I have analyzed the business opportunity in detail so that you understand. When you click on this, I'll provide a link. If you're watching this as a video, I'm going to provide this link in the description box on YouTube or wherever so that you can learn more about it. Now, um, if you are very sensitive at this point, you would know that this stuff I'm going to show you involves network marketing. And if you're a network marketer and you're watching this video, then we need to work together to make this happen. And if you don't like the idea of network marketing and all that, I would advise you to take a look at that business model because it's going to help you a lot. Network marketing is one of the businesses that you can sit down anywhere in the comfort of your home and just do stuff. Like just yesterday, I signed up a guy from South Africa. He doesn't know me. I don't know him. He just read my stuff and signed up. So just go and read about Propreneurs World here. Now, the 15 account strategy is this. Step one, you get started with 15 accounts. I don't encourage mediocrity. I like to work with people who understand business. So to get started, 15 accounts is 180,000. Now this is how much you're going to earn. Referral bonus on 14 accounts is $140. First account matching bonus is $30. Second and third account matching bonus $10 each. Then the fourth to seventh account matching bonus is neutral at this moment. 8th to 15th account matching bonus is nil at this moment. So your total earnings on a 180,000 naira investment, you get back 57,000 naira. Now let's do some calculation. 180, 123 minus 57, 123. That's 123,000. Actually, it's 123,000 that you're paying in the long run. Now, at this stage, stage one, on step two, you get 16 people started with 15 accounts, each with the help of your sponsor. Teamwork. Now, this is not left for you to do alone. Some persons might have the capability to get 16 people with 15 accounts, but it's teamwork, and then you have to work with those people who you already have under your genealogy. Once they can replicate this process, this is exactly what's going to happen. Your earnings, referral bonus for 16 people will be $160. First matching bonus will be $520. Second and third account matching bonuses will be $660. Fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh account matching bonuses will be $400. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 account matching bonuses will be $400. So your total earnings at this point will be 594,000. Your rank at this step will be stage 2 level 2. Now help your 16 get their 16 also with the help of the sponsor. Third degree earnings. First account matching bonus plus incentives $1,650 plus car award, car fund of 4.5 million. Ahead and giving out Toyota Ventures by August 2018. The second and third account matching bonuses plus incentives 1,350 times 2, that's $2,700. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh account matching bonuses plus incentives 1,250 times 4, that is $5,000. Now that's some money. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. $440 times 8, that's $3,520. Total earnings plus car award is $12,870. Car fund is 4.5 million. Now overall earnings is $15,040. Conversion will give you 4,521,000. Rank at this stage is this step is stage 3 level 3. Now that is just a breakdown of how you can achieve this, and like as you can see, it's something you have to work on to make it happen, and I believe we can all achieve everything we need to achieve if and only if one will start by believing in what we do, two we put in efforts, and three, should I start with, should three be one? I'm a Christian, so you have to walk and pray about it. God is going to bless something that you do. Alright? So this is achievable in 3 months um if you can come up with strategies. Like the video I'm doing right now is one of the strategies for me um to achieve these goals. Now imagine me having lots of videos, and as people get to watch these videos, they join the business. It's fully automated. And now when you join me on this business, when you join me in this business, I'm also going to show you how to do stuff like this, how to create videos, how to upload them on YouTube, how to rank the videos, how to create sales pages like this. Like when you click on this, it's a page that takes you to ask you have to subscribe, and then it takes you to um the link where you can download a free ebook that explains the Propreneurs business in detail as well. So, without wasting much of your time, here's how to get started. Quickly shoot me an email to agina.ikena@gmail.com with the subject Propreneurs 15 account, and send me the following details. You can also call me or WhatsApp me on 00371938840. Now, if you don't have the financial capability to do um, the 180,000 naira plan, there are also other plans that we can work with. Yeah, we can work out something, for lesser plans and all that. So, I've got to go now. If you want to do this with me, shoot me an email or WhatsApp me. You can also take a look in the description box for the links to the pages that I had in this video earlier on. Thank you very much once again for listening, and my name is Victor. Have a great day.